In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize a Canva website for mobile. If you've built your site in Canva, a few quick checks and adjustments can make a huge difference for visitors on phones. Let's walk through exactly what to do and what to look for so your pages load fast, read clearly, and feel effortless to use. Start by opening your Canva website design. In the top right, click Preview, then choose the mobile view. This shows how your layout stacks on a small screen. Slowly scroll through the entire page. As you go, keep an eye on layout, spacing, and text size. Headlines should be easy to read at a glance, body copy shouldn't feel cramped, and buttons should be obvious and tappable. Watch for elements that push too close to the edges, uneven margins, or sections that feel crowded. If any text looks tiny or line breaks feel awkward, make a note to adjust the font size or spacing back in the editor. The goal is a comfortable vertical flow with consistent breathing room between sections. Next, optimize images. Avoid very large images. Oversized files can make your site sluggish on mobile and sometimes cause sections to shift or break. Use clear images at an appropriate size for the space they occupy, sharp enough to look good, but not heavier than necessary. Make sure images fit the section width so nothing bleeds off the sides or leaves unintended gaps. In Canva, you can scale images down or crop them so they sit neatly within frames or sections. Remember, large images can slow loading and break mobile layouts, so favor well-sized visuals over massive hero photos. If an image is mostly decorative, consider reducing its size or simplifying it so the text remains the star. Finally, apply a few simple mobile optimization rules as you refine. Keep previewing in mobile view as you make tweaks. Treat it like your primary checkpoint. Turn on resize on mobile so Canva can automatically adapt element sizes for small screens. Avoid overlapping elements. On mobile, overlaps can become unreadable. Group related items, like a heading with its subtext and button, so they move together and stay aligned. Use a simple vertical layout that stacks content in a single clear column. And keep text large and readable. Prioritize contrast and legibility over fancy effects. Follow these steps, and your Canva website will feel faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable on every phone.